Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix legend in Excel. So let's get started. Start by opening the Excel workbook that contains the chart. Now select the chart and go for Chart Tools. Under the Chart Tools tab, click on Layout. In the Labels group, you will find Legend. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. From here, you can choose where you want to fix legend. Okay, that's it. Now you can fix legend in your chart. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.